Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Zafizi. My metric number is B1323101888. I want to explain about the blacking process. Next, I will be explain about my introduction. The product we choose is a spoon. We choose the product because it involves many processes such as casting, process blacking. For example, process blacking, rolling, annealing, cutting to outline, forming the pattern, buffing and polishing. A spoon is an important component that is used every day and has hard traveling. I want to explain about my process is blacking process. Firstly, I want to explain about meaning blacking process. Blacking process is a metal working operation used to cut off a flat piece of sheet metal into a desired shape. It involves removing unwanted material from a length sheet to create a smallest component apart. The process typically involves using a punch and a die to cut off the sheet metal with the die having a cavity that matches that desired shape of the final part. When the part falls down onto the sheet of metal, the unweighted portions and spirits and remove, leaving behind the desired blank. This blank can then be next. I will be explaining about the blacking process is manufacturing technique used to create exposed material. First, material selection. Selection is suitable metal sheet, typically stainless steel, aluminium, or silver, to be used for the spoon. Next, number 2 is cutting the blank. Use the special cutting tool or die to cut off a flat shape from the metal sheet and shape will serve as the blank for the spoon. Number 3 is blacking operation. Place the metal blank into a blacking press machine. The blacking press apply high pressure to metal blank, causing to cut and shape into the round outline of a spoon. Next, number 4 is trimming. The particle format spoon may have a round edge. For excess material, use a trimming die or tool to remove any unwanted section and achieve the final shape of the spoon. Number 5 is forming and utilize various forming technique to give the spoon is a specific design. This can involve bending, curving, and shaping the metal blank until it resembles a traditional spoon shape. Number 6 is finishing. Perform any required finishing operation such as polishing, buffing, or painting to enhance the appearance and smoothness of the spoon surface. Number 7 is quality control. It expects the finishing spoon to ensure it meet the desired dimensional, shape, and visual standard. Any defect of infection should be rectified or discarded. Number 8 is packaging and distribution. Once the spoon pass the quality control check, they can be packing and prepared for distribution to retailers or customers. The above step outline a basic blanking process for creating spoon. However, the actual process may vary depending on the specific requirement, design, complexity, and the type of equipment machinery used.
Greetings to my manufacturing process lecturer and my friends. My name is Bernard Mark Vincent, matrix number B1323101156, and today I'll be presenting the first process of the spoon manufacturing process, which is the shearing process. So shearing is the metal cutting process that involves the use of shear force or shearing machine to cut metal sheets and plates into desired shapes and sizes. This process is commonly used in metal fabrication manufacturing and various industrial applications. So as you can see in the photos, the metal sheet is aligned with a border, and the operator uses hydraulic to move the shearing machine, and the shearing machine uses force to cut out to shear the metal plates for the following process.
For the example of rolling process, you can see at the slide in the before and after the rolling process. From a true series of rolling operation, these blanks are graded or rolled to the correct thickness and shape required by the manufacturer flatware pattern. First, the blanks are rolled crosswise from left to right, right to left, and lengthwise, then trim to outline. Each spoon, for instance, must be thick at the base of the handle to resist bending. This gives great piece the right balance and a good feel in the hand. Each piece is now in the form of a cleanly finished shape in the raw dimension of the utensil.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hassan Fatim Bismillah. My metric number is B1311035057. So I will explain the last process for the spoon production. So the name of the last process is buffing and polishing. So buffing is the process to remove any excess product and usually increase the extent of gloss. It also helps the spread the merchandise evenly and thus the prospect of fair and level finish. So next is polishing. It's a process that involves working the surface of a piece with an abrasive material or tool to smooth and shine the imperfection of wear that the material surface has suffered. So from the slide we can see the spoon have first buff and then this polish. It's depending on the pattern, special finishing process can give silvery plate and sterling silver piece of bright mirror like finish, a soft satiny glow, or brush or flattening finishing.
As for the discussion, we choose the manufacturing process of spoons because they are very essential everyday life equipment that eases our lives. Therefore, it is very important to know how such simple and useful objects is made. Not only is it a device to transport food into the mouth, but it also gives other purposes such as measurements. For example, the number of tablespoons is quantified to let a user to know the amount of certain ingredients needed. A spoon is also used for mixing and stirring liquid faster and better and easier. And finally, it also serves a purpose by tossing ingredients, for example, a salad. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusion is we able to understand the manufacturing process that involved in the process for making the spoon. For the example, process blanking, rolling, cutting outline and polishing. Then we able to explain step by step of the process of making spoon. And we also able to relate the process maker with the manufacturing process study. And the last is we also understand the application of manufacturing process. That's all for me. Thank you.